Okay, so let's go right into it. This is the first time I'm opening and using this LED light therapy mask. We're doing it together, but like it says, it is the CurrentBody Skin LED light therapy mask. This is clinically proven red and infrared light, and it's quite a nice structured box, so you can feel the quality is about to come through when the packaging is good. And then it looks like, whoops, let's put that over there. It looks like this once you open it. Going to remove this plastic over here. We have a dust bag, we have instructions, and all the other cables that you need to turn your mask on. And this is actually really good. They have some adapters within the box, so if you're buying from a different country, CurrentBox has got you covered. I'm going to use the UK one because hello, I'm in the UK. And it's super easy to put. You basically get your adapter. Is that what it is? Yeah. Ta-da. And then we get the mask, plug it into the controller. And I'm going to use the LED mask with one of CurrentBody's hydrogel face masks. This one is formulated for LED. I think if you use different ones, sometimes it doesn't work really well with the LED masks. So something to bear in mind if you buy this one. It's totally compatible. And this one is to firm, hydrate, and nourish your skin. And you can use with or without your LED, which is great. I'm gonna go ahead and open this goodie. Oops. And before applying any sheet mask, it is good that you cleanse or exfoliate your skin before using it for better results. I've done that. My skin has been actually really bad for the past couple of days. You can't really see it through the camera, but I used some product that burnt it, so it's all kind of coming off in some areas and really dry. So I'm really looking forward to doing a full face mask to see if that improves a little bit. And here we have it. Can you see the glow? And it's so interesting that those patches that I said that were really dry from a product I used previously feel so much smoother. The skin feels firmer. We did obviously inject so much moisture into the skin, but it feels so smooth. Obviously this is my first time using the LED. They do recommend I use 3 to 5 days a week for 5 weeks, so I'm excited to give it a go for 5 weeks and see how my skin improves. I do want to share a couple of things with you before I go, just because if you're like me and you don't like really reading the instructions, I'm here for you. I'm going to share a couple of things that I thought were really useful. Number one is you have to unplug the device from mains power supply. The device will not work. Again, the device will not work if it's connected with the main supply. I learned it the long way. I was trying for a good 5 to 10 minutes, I'm not gonna lie. So do not even try. It does not need to be plugged in order for it to work. It actually won't work if it is plugged. So once it's fully charged, then you use it without plugging. Also, make sure your skin is clean, free of makeup. Sometimes that can stop the device from working or can cause skin sensitivity, so make sure your skin is clean, cleansed, exfoliated, ready to get fabulous. And you're also going to need to adjust it to your face with the strap that comes along. I thought the white little rubber thing was for me to adjust it to my face. No, you need to adjust it with the adjustable strap. And once you press the button, make sure to let the mask run for the 10-minute treatment. It will turn off after 10 minutes, so you don't have to worry, you don't have to do any timer. It does it all for you. And after the treatment, you can apply your usual skincare routine. I applied my favorite serum just to kind of keep that beautiful moisture in my face. And like I said, for the best results, you are recommended to use the LED mask 3 to 5 times a week for 5 weeks. And to maintain those beautiful results, you just keep using it as you would. And I thought it would be quite useful to read some of the highlights as well, just in case you're interested. If not, you can always skip this part. It is clinically proven to reduce wrinkles by 35% in just 4 weeks. 95% of users said their skin tone, texture, firmness, and tightness was improved. Combines anti-aging red and near infrared light therapy. It is pain-free. It is. The only thing you feel is quite warm. It's not even too warm, just a tiny bit warm, but it's quite relaxing. I just stood there for a minute with my phone, and then I kind of gave up on it and just had a light nap, which felt so nice, by the way. It is non-invasive, and it is a skin rejuvenating treatment, and it did win lots of awards in 2020. I feel like this mask was the only good news about 2020, to be quite honest. It won the Cosmopolitan Beauty Awards 2020, Woman in Beauty 2020, and Pure Beauty Awards 2020. And yeah, it just seems like the perfect solution to get rid of pigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles, and any skin texture. I don't know if you can see, the glow's still going. I'm loving it. I can't wait to see how it's going to look in 5 weeks. Do let me know if you want me to do a follow-up on this LED mask. But this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm loving the glow. I don't know about you, but I'm still loving the glow. But until next time, bye.